6 years. It's been 6 years since the disappearance of one of the members of the greatest superhero team of all time, the Premier Defenders. I mean, I'm strong enough as a solo hero, but even I would have been honored to be a part of that fighting force. Zoom, Iris, Audio Gain, and Crossazal, the leader, I hope they've healed since Roughcut disappeared. What the hell is that?
You will be the first to feel my vengeance.
Huh? Can you speak up? You're too far away.
Oh, you will be the first to feel my...
Huh?
Enough. Nothing personnel, kid.
Defenders, I'm sure you're all aware of the recent happenings in the outskirts.
Oh, you mean the gas prices these days? They are outrageous.
Skill's dead.
Oh, that too.
What's up, guys? Calling in from the restaurant. Yo, these chicken tenders, he's mad tendy, bro.
Okay, but you can't deny the risk. This villain can be a major threat to our peacekeeping if left unchecked.
Nah, I'd win.
Sure, you're strong.
Bro, how many times I have to tell you? I have to eat 10,000 calories or else my powers will be useless. Yo, waitress, can I have another plate of burger? No.
Guys, focus.
So what's the plan?
What's the plan? We find whoever did this and we jump them.
If you know your enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles.
Huh?
Let's just go investigate the scene.
Guys, go over here, I found him.
He's been cut to ribbons.
Wait, let me get a closer look. Oh, that's a serrated wound. Oh, he did steal my wallet. The wound, I can see it's lined with osmium.
Osmium? That's impossible. There's only one man who ever wielded a blade of that material.
No way, impossible. There's only one man that can be behind the...
He's not dead, he's just presumed MIA, which means...
Roughcut's back.
So, that just happened.
How long has it been? Hey.
Oh, hey.
Wait, you're Crossazal. One and only. You know, just looking at you, you seem like the kind of guy who wanders around without a purpose. Isn't that noticeable? Well, I see a lot of potential in you. How would you like to join the Premier Defenders?
Me? I don't know if I'm powerful enough yet.
I promise you can get even stronger than me, and I know you're the one that understands my vision. Stop right there!
Impressive. How did you find me?
Well, it was kind of obvious.
Impressive. Your intellectual prowess is as sharp as ever.
It wasn't that hard to figure it out.
Yeah. Regardless, I am no longer the rough cut you once knew. I am now reborn. It's been 2,195 days.
Get track?
I always kept track. Regardless, you were always the loudest pop audio game. I think I'll silence you first. Try it! No! What's wrong, bud? Didn't catch up on your calories?
You got to be kidding me.
Time to visit the eye doctor.
Roughcut! How could you do this? We're your friends! You guys? My friends? You were never my friends. Just mere obstacles for me to leap over.
6 years and you still hold on to that promise.
Yeah! Let's go somewhere a little more personal.
The very same place we thought you died on this year's ago. What a sick joke.
Yes! Yes, it is! And I'm just getting started. Getting stronger! I finally proved to you that I'm number one! Not number three! Not number two! Number one!
Did you enjoy those 6 years spent rotting all alone?
6 years spent getting stronger! Stronger than you could ever dream! Now you're mine.
Z Control, we've got 3 injured heroes at my last location requesting medical staff. Over.
This is infuriating. You're always in the way. I've always admired your position, your leadership skills, the way everyone respected you. And me, I've always been pushed to the sidelines, in the shadows.
And you still haven't grown stronger, even after all this. Tell me, what was it for?
So this is it, huh? You pull me up from the trenches just to stomp me back down in the dirt?
Rough cut.
No, I'm sick of it. I'm tired of being number 2. I'm tired of being in your shadow. I just want to call the shots myself for once. Ah! You didn't kill me.
Because you're still the only one that understands my vision. I never knew you felt this way. And I'm sorry I pushed you so much. I really thought I was doing good. But take it at your own pace, okay? I promise, no pressure. Rough cut, welcome back to the Defenders.
I trust you.